G'day everyone, welcome to another episode where today I'm going to walk you through the process of how we can create a SharePoint custom list from an Excel spreadsheet. Now, in a previous episode, I showed you how we can create a list based off another list, and that can give us an easy way to create a base list from a template via the new list creation experience. Now, today, what I'm going to show you in this episode is how we can do that from an Excel spreadsheet. So what we need to do here is we need to jump into the site contents because it doesn't work from the home page. So if we jump into site contents and we go new list, we're presented with a new experience here. And the one I'm going to show you today is from Excel. Now, what we're given here is a list of our recent Excel files. Now, the one I'm going to choose here is Australia sales. And I'm just going to name the list the same. And I'm going to choose to show that on the site navigation. Now, once we click next, we're taken to the next screen where it's going to get the table that is in that spreadsheet for me. And we've got the ability here to choose the type of the type of data that lives in each column here. So you can see here these columns here where we're looking at numbers. It's automatically set the number for me. But these ones in particular, I want to change these to currency because they're to do with figures. So I've changed those to currency, and I'm just going to move along the columns here, change the ones I need to. Now I'm going to leave this one as a number, and I'm going to leave that last one as a number as well. And I think we're good to go. So the next thing we need to do is hit create. And what that's going to do nice and quickly for us is create this list based on the columns in that Excel spreadsheet for me. And bang, there we go. We've got a nice new list here. There's the list name. We've got the title, we've got the product, and we've got all the information that was living in that Excel spreadsheet now transported and added to our SharePoint list. Now, if I click the new button as well, again, we're presented with the SharePoint form with each of these as a field item and a list column. So that's another pretty functional and practical way to create and convert Excel spreadsheets into a custom SharePoint list. So I hope that brings you all some value today, and if it does, and you know people that are using Excel spreadsheets, and you know that there's more functionality and they can get some more results out of a SharePoint list, then please share the video with them, and let's all make use of that functionality. Thanks for watching.